So I'm not a developer, but I wanted to show you an app that I built in 2 days while on holiday in Cyprus using Claude Code. When we go on holiday, my friends and I usually use Splitwise to pay for meals and drinks and settle up expenses. But Splitwise has got very annoying recently by putting a lot of features behind a paywall. So I decided to build my own. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that a lot of my previous videos were on anytime and automation. That's still a big part of what I do. But I've been using Claude Code a lot over the last few months, and honestly I'm amazed by the kinds of things I'm now able to build. So I want to show everyone what it's possible to create with Claude Code, even if you're not a developer. Anyway, to get things started, here's the app I built on holiday. So first of all, if you're not familiar with Splitwise, it's basically a calculator for group expenses. So everyone adds in what they paid, who it's shared with, and then it calculates all the amount everyone owes, and then it tells you who to make payments to at the end of the holiday. So like I say, we use it all the time, so I wanted to build something myself. Here's the home page. I didn't actually write any of this, AI created it for me. And this is the functionality of the app. I'll just give you a quick run through. So this is actually the group that we used on holiday. It's my friend Luca's wedding. It was a lovely week. So we just had a few expenses to put in here. So you can see it's things like last night drinks, taxi to airport, paddle, share between various people, and then at the end you can see you can see all the balances, who owes money, who gets back money. This is the view that does all the settlements, so it simplifies all the payments to make as few payments as possible. You got a little thing here, view payment info, so that people can put their payment information in, and then mark as paid when it's done. This lists all the members. It's running slightly slow because I haven't really upgraded my. I'm still on a free version on Vercel hosting. Here's all the members, and here's just all the activity. I'll just run through one of the features I built that Splitwise doesn't have, but I wanted to use a lot, which is called scan and split. So you just upload a receipt or scan it in, and then you pick who in the group is involved in it, and then AI is scanning the receipt, and it's going to pick out all the individual items one by one, and it will list them in a long list of items individually. And then what it's doing is creating a live sharing session, so everyone in the group will be able to join this session, and you can see these are the people that are involved. Only I'm in it now because everyone else is offline, but you can go down this list and pick the things you had. So let's say I had this and a glass of wine, and then in theory everyone else would pick the things they had, and then everyone would have these little things next to them, and you can see who's had what. The service charge is split proportionally, and then we create the expense, and that is automatically tracked in the group. It's also much less friction than Splitwise, so there's no app, it's just a web app. There's an invite button, you copy this, paste the link into your WhatsApp group, everyone can join quickly, one click, sign up with Google, and then they're in the app ready to share. So just a quick note on the tools I'm using. We're using Vercel for deployment and also for the database. Google Cloud services for the authentication. The components of the site are built using ShadCN, which is just like a standard design system we can use. I also use TweakCN to mess around with the colors and styling once you've got the basics done. And also OpenAI's API for the receipt scanning workflow. So this is my development setup. I'm using Cursor. Claude Code is running here inside it. You've got all the files over here. This is my development server. So just to give you a quick idea of how it works, this all looks really complicated, but it isn't. I'm just speaking to this magical agent in plain English, and it does the things that I ask it to. So let's just do something simple like, I'll use my voice thing actually. On the groups page, please change the My Groups headline to bright yellow and put a picture of a cat next to it. So then it'll accept my stupid request and it's now going to do some thinking. So you can see that's done. That took about 30 seconds. This now looks terrible, but you get the idea. So basically it just says, it takes your request on board, it searches all the docs, all the files, looks for the code to update, might go a little bit back and forth sometimes, and then it tells you, right, I've done that, here's what I've done, and the changes are here in this file. I'm not going to get too far into the weeds with Claude Code in this video, but in my upcoming videos I'm going to go step by step, very detailed, everything you need to do to get this running. So that's the app I built in just a couple of days, and this is the kind of content I'm going to be sharing over the coming weeks and months. I'm going to be building apps completely from scratch and showing in detail every step of the way so you can do it as well. So if that sounds useful, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below if there's anything specific you want to see me build. Thanks for watching, see you soon.